E-commerce achieves year after year record numbers of transactions. Therefore, retailers are constantly making huge investments to attract customers and maintain their e-shop leaders in an extremely fragmented market. This is happening into a web that allows connection and interaction levels like never before. However, these connectivity resources are generally used as other traditional marketing tools, not yet totally capitalizing on the benefits that the internet today can provide. That's why we created MeShop, a platform that changes the way of seeing users from potential customers to potential sellers who can maximize our sales efforts. MeShop is the country's first marketplace with social commerce orientation. In it, users can generate monetary commissions by being involved in the selling process through the recommendation of products to their direct social environment. With this new business model, all users get exclusive tangible benefits for participating in MeShop. The recommenders make money, buyers increase their satisfaction in the purchase process, and retailers sell more and at a higher margin. This new generation of marketplace generates a sales system available on the platform called by MeShop as Casual Salesforce. With this, we are talking about an anonymous and without formal link for retailer Salesforce, with an unprecedented use of the direct personal links in the sales process. This tool does not generate fixed costs, labor obligations, and is oriented to make the retailer's e-commerces grow. It's then a more efficient model than conventional commercial channels. MeShop's business concept has no operating reference in the region. That is why scalability is one of its main attractions. The sustainability of the business model is based on various sources of income, as to know: the spread between generated and paid commissions, traditional advertising campaigns, generation of financial income, direct sale of trending products. So would you use MeShop if you could take advantage of the Casual Salesforce and sell more, better, and with more profitable margins? Would you buy through this site if you could get the best options in the market and make someone close to you earn money? And would you recommend those products that you liked, knowing that you can earn money by doing that? We meet at www.meashop.com.ar.